Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here in the car park today I've got a 2013 Subaru Liberty sedan. It's a 2.5 litre auto, it's the FB25 engine. As you can see, it's a bit of a tap on the nose there. But we've got a good engine in here, transmission and all the components that go with it. Little marks here and there on the doors, nothing major, but there's some tiny marks on them. It's got a good boot lid, tail lights, rear bar. We've got an unused spare wheel in there, jack and tool kit. Just open it up for you. Brand new, but unused spare wheel and tyre. And we've got some doors down here too. I'll just jump in and open up for you and get your kilometres. 60,000 odd I think it is from memory. Also we've got some black leather trim in there, front and rear. You see, very clean and tidy. Airbags haven't gone off. And we'll just jump in and start it up. Tailgate's open, trunk's open, we know that. Where are we now? We have 69,503 kilometres. I'll just start it up. There it's sat nav. There's a DVD player there too. Won't run it for too long. And our other compliance plate over here. Alright, so there we have it. One silver Liberty being dismantled at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Need some Liberty parts or any other parts for that matter, give us a call on 02 4646 1733 and the Parts Plus guys will help you out. So thanks for watching and bye for now.